Today I'm making some liquid gold. This, my friends, is my family's natural cough syrup. I always keep a jar in the fridge for those first signs of a scratchy throat. A few low-cost ingredients for a healthy natural remedy that is powerful and effective. Grated fresh ginger is warming, soothing and brilliant for calming inflammation. Next, garlic. Garlic is a natural antibacterial and antiviral powerhouse. I also add the zest and juice of a lemon for that extra vitamin C boost. An extra fiery kick. A little chili is great for opening up the airways. It warms you up and gets your blood moving. And onions. Onions contain sulfur compounds and quercetin. Onions are fantastic for clearing mucus and calming chesty coughs. Simply layer all of your ingredients in a clean sterilised jar, topping with honey on each layer all the way to the top. The honey is the magic. It soothes the throat and helps draw out all the goodness from the ingredients. To my mixture, I'm adding fresh rosemary. It's amazing for your lungs, clears the airways, it adds anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and antioxidant benefits. And there you have it. Leave it at room temperature for 24 to 72 hours to infuse. You'll notice it becomes a lot more liquid. Strain and keep your mixture in the fridge for up to 2 months. If you do have a chesty cough, take 1 to 2 teaspoons 3 times a day or 1 teaspoon daily as an immune boosting supplement.